Hi, this is Bala Reva. Welcome to Bala Reva UiPath YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to insert the data table in Word and also how to set the autofit to the table inside the Word. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, never miss the update. Your subscription makes me to create more videos and components. To do this, we have to install two packages. First we go to Manage and Packages, click Connect and type Bala Reva Word Activities. Select the package and install it, and after that type Bala Reva Easy Data Table and select the package, install the package. So before that, I'll show you the example file. Actually, I need to load the information to the data table. So to load the data table, I'm going to use read range activity to read the information from the Excel file. So this is the sample Excel file I'm going to use. I'm going to read these informations. Okay. So first I need to load the information in the data table. So I'm going to select the file. I'm going to create a data table variable dt excel. Okay. So let me ensure the information with the data table using the show data table activity. Here I am going to specify only the data table variable. So let me execute the process. See, I have these information from the data table. When I double click inside the cell, we can able to see the column name and what is the data type. It's an object data type. So it has 4 columns and 9 records. Okay. So first I have to create a document. So navigate to Bala Reva Word package, and inside the document you can able to see the create document. Before that, we have to use the Word application scope, and here we have to give the file name. At present we don't have the file, so I'm going to use this path. So I'm going to give the file name as sample docx. Okay, so I'm going to use the create document. So this activity creates the document file, and after that in the table space you can able to see insert data table. Okay, and here I have to specify the data table as dt excel, and here I'm going to give the page number as 1. Okay, because when we create a document, by default it has a 1 page, or if you want to increase the page size, you can use add page break. Okay, if you use this activity, add a new page. Okay, so now I'm going to insert the data table page number 2, because in the go to I have selected the page number page. If you have a bookmark, you select the bookmark, and here you have to give the bookmark name. Okay, and if you know the line number, which line you have to insert the data table, if you know the line number, you just select the line and you have to give the line number here. Okay, now I am going to use the page. I'm going to insert the data table in the second page, and this is table style. What is table style? How do I get the table style? For example, let me open a Word document. Okay, I'm going to insert the table. Okay, so when you navigate this style, see, you can able to see the grid table has cent 4. So this is the table style. For example, I'm going to use the grid table ascent file. So just right click and go to the modify table and copy the style name. Okay, so I'm going to give the style name here. I'm going to comment this one because already I have verified the data what we have in the data table, so I'm not going to use this one. So let me close the document file. I'm not going to save this one. Okay, let me execute the process. It's finished. Let us check the output. So this is first page, we don't have anything. See, in the second page, the table style. So we have selected the Excel file. Okay, so this is the way we can able to insert a new data table inside the document. And next we are going to see auto fit. What is auto fit? When you do a right click in the table, you can able to see the auto fit. See, we have three options. Auto fit content. When you select this one, it will resize based on the content. I'm going to undo this change. Okay, again, if you go to select the auto fit to window, it will adjust based on the page width. I'm going to undo this one again. When you select the auto fit column width, you cannot see any changes in here, but when you type a new thing, see, I'm going to type this thing in the first name, so automatically it will do the auto word wrap. See, it's not increasing the column width. This is called fixed column width. How can we do this one in UiPath Studio? Okay, we can see. I'm going to close this one. Okay, and also I'm going to comment these three activities because already document has been created and we have added a new page and I have already inserted the data table inside the document. Okay, when you navigate in the Balareva word and inside the table, you can able to see the auto fit activity. Okay, in the auto fit activity, first you have to tell the table index. We have created only one table, so the table index is 1. So I'm going to give the table index as 1. First I'm going to set the auto fit window. Okay, and also I'm going to comment this read range also. So now we have only the word application scope and auto fit, only two activities. So now I am going to set the fit window. Let me execute the process. It's finished. Let us check the output. See, it's adjusted based on the page width. Okay, next we are going to set the auto fit content. I'm going to change this option as fit content. Okay, let me execute the process. It's finished. Let us check the output. See, it has resized based on the content. Let me change the auto fit to window. Okay, I'm going to close the document. Let's save. Here I'm going to change as fit fixed column. Okay, let me execute the process. Let us check the output. In the second page, as it is, it has, but when I type a new thing, see, it's adjusted based on the fixed column width. So this is the way you can able to set the auto fit to the table. Let me close the document. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Never miss the update. Your subscription makes me to create more videos and component.